Day two, just got out of my car, I'm not even near the building, and a bird came and dived on me as I'm standing out in the street trying to get my stuff ready to walk inside. So this ought to be fun. See if I can make it safely into work. Let's see what happens. There she is. Up the bird's nest. Oh, Dad just dive bombed the shit out of me. Like, I'm not near your birds. Leave me alone. I'm not doing nothing. Now I'm gonna put out my stuff to get the key out of my bag. Ridiculous, I'm just trying to go to work. Crazy ass bird.